Are you looking for the best membrane keyboards? In this video we will look at some of the best membrane keyboards on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Arteck 2.4G Wireless Keyboard. The Arteck 2.4G wireless keyboard is a sleek and efficient input device designed for easy setup and comfortable usage. Its simple installation involves inserting the nano USB receiver into your computer, allowing you to start typing instantly. The keyboard boasts an ergonomic design, featuring stainless steel material that provides a heavy-duty feel, while the low-profile keys ensure quiet and comfortable typing. One standout feature is its impressive 6-month battery life, thanks to a rechargeable lithium battery with a high capacity. Based on 2 hours of non-stop use per day, this longevity makes it a reliable option for long-term use. Despite its robust capabilities, the Arteck keyboard maintains an ultra-thin and lightweight profile, measuring just 16.9 by 4.9 by 0.6 inches and weighing 14.9 ounces. This compact size doesn't compromise on functionality, as the keyboard includes full-size keys, arrow keys, a number pad, and shortcuts for a comfortable typing experience. Number 2. Logitech MX Keys Keyboard. The Logitech MX Keys keyboard is a powerhouse when it comes to combining comfort, precision, and versatility. The keys are designed with a perfect stroke, featuring a spherical dish shape that aligns with the natural contours of your fingertips. This design not only provides a satisfying tactile experience but also enhances typing accuracy. Crafted for comfort and stability, the keyboard allows you to type with confidence. You can connect it to your device either through the included unifying USB receiver or via Bluetooth Low Energy technology, offering flexibility and connectivity. One of its standout features is the smart illumination with hand proximity detection and automatic backlighting. The keyboard intelligently adjusts its backlighting based on your hand's proximity, contributing to a seamless and efficient typing experience. The USB cable serves only for power, and on a full charge, the keyboard can last up to 10 days. Extending to 5 months with backlighting turned off. Number 3. Perixx PERIBOARD317R. The Perixx PERIBOARD317R is a standout full-size keyboard designed for enhanced visibility and comfortable typing. With its big font and full-size layout featuring 105 keys, this keyboard ensures that you can easily see and use each key. The elegant and adjustable backlighting adds a stylish touch, making it suitable for various environments, including studios, offices, and home offices. The round keycaps, inspired by typewriter-style keys, not only contribute to the aesthetic appeal but also provide a stable key press and a comfortable typing experience. The large letters, 4 times the size of those on a standard keyboard, further enhance visibility and ease of use. Number 4. LANGTU Membrane Gaming Keyboard. The LANGTU Membrane Gaming Keyboard boasts a sleek design with its aluminium alloy panel, providing not just a cool brushed metal texture but also ensuring enhanced durability. This gaming keyboard is not just about looks, it's also equipped with water-resistant features, guarding against potential damage from accidental spills. The keys of this gaming keyboard are a joy to use, offering a soft and responsive touch for precise keystrokes. Whether you're deep into a gaming session or tackling work tasks, with a lifespan of 10 million clicks, the keyboard is built for longevity. The double-colored injection keycaps not only contribute to a crystal-clear uniform backlighting but also ensure that the letters won't fade away over time. Number 5. TopMate Wireless Keyboard and Mouse. The TopMate Wireless Keyboard and Mouse combo offers a convenient and clutter-free computing experience with its wireless connectivity, providing a range of up to 10 meters. The plug-and-play feature, facilitated by a nano receiver stored in the mouse, eliminates the need for additional software installation, ensuring a clean and tidy desk setup. The wireless desktop keyboard boasts an efficient design with a full-size layout, including a numeric keypad and 11 function keys for quick access to various functions like music, volume, and Mail. While the hotkeys may not be fully compatible with Mac systems, the combo works seamlessly with Windows XP/Me/Vista/7/8/10/11 operating systems. It is compatible with devices featuring a USB slot, such as PCs, laptops, MacBooks, desktops, Chromebooks, and smart TVs.